All right, let me try this, the second part of our problem, and let's just show you, there's a lot of different ways I can do this, but I think what I'll do is simplify this again just to make it a little easier before I do my substitutions here, because I'm just going to pick one of these and show that it works. So I think I'll just again make this 3x squared plus 15x, right, plus 2x squared, and we've already done this, equals a to x minus 11, and I'll combine this to 5x squared. Again, we've already done this. 15x minus 8x is going to be plus 7x, and this is going to equal negative 11. All right, now I'm going to show if I let x be either one of these solutions, I get the same thing on both sides of this equation. So I'm going to let x be this first solution right here. I think I'll even see this solution. I think I'll let x be this one right here. So I'm going to show is 5 times negative 7 plus I times radical 171 over 10 squared plus 7 times negative 7 plus I times radical 171, so radical 171 over 10. This is the question, is this equal to negative 11? And the answer is yes. I believe it is. All right, so we get 5 here, and now I'm just going to, I'm going to square this binomial. So I'm going to get, negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. I'm just squaring this binomial, right? And I take the first and the last and double it. So I'm going to get minus 14i times radical 171, right? And then I'm going to get here plus I squared times 171. But I squared is negative 1. You see, so what I really have here is minus 171. Minus 171. And all of this is over 100. Plus, and now I'm going to distribute the 7 to both of these terms right here. And again, this is a negative 7 right here. All right, so I'm going to get negative 49 plus, and then I get 7i times radical 171. All of this over 10, and the question is, does this equal negative 11? That's what we're trying to show. I do want to emphasize what I did here one more time, just to make real certain you're tracking with me. Let me put a different color here, like a green. Okay. Just to make sure you see that I took negative 7 plus I times radical 171, right? And I multiplied that by negative 7 plus I times radical 141, or 171, excuse me, 171. This is just multiplying two binomials together when I squared it. So you take the first, you get 49, right? Negative 7 times negative 7. The outer, negative 7i radical 171. The inner, negative 7i radical 171. And that's where I'm getting the negative 14. I radical 171, and then the last, and that's going to be the I squared 171, so minus 171. And hopefully that all makes sense to you. Let me get rid of that just to keep it cleaner here. And let me try to squish this up just a little bit here with my swisher. See if I can do it. This is kind of fun, just a little. All right. Now, let's keep going with this. Let me take the 5 times 49, and I don't remember what that is, so I'll have to bring my calculator up. 245 minus, and then 14 times 5, isn't that 70? I think it is. That's going to be 70 pi times radical 171 minus, and then 171 times 5. 855. Plus, and now what I want to do here, I want to multiply the denominator by 10, and so I think I'll multiply the numerator by 10. So everything in the numerator and everything in the denominator by 10, just so I have common denominators. Plus then negative 490, and then look at this. Isn't this sweet? Because look at this. Plus, and then we're going to get here 70i times radical 171. And all of this right here, all of this is over 100. That's what I have on the right side. And is that equal to, this is still the question of the day, is that equal to negative 11? And yes, indeed it is, because watch. Sweet. Negative 70i radical 171, positive 70i radical 171. Nice. And then 245 plus negative 855 plus negative 490, that is negative 1100. Hot dog. Hot something. So the question is, are they equal? The answer is, oh wait, I made that sloppy. We can't do that. Yes! Negative 11 equals negative 11. Yes! So there we go. All right, so that's one way to do it. Other ways you could do it, you just got to prove one side equals the other side, so however you want to. And we'll talk to you guys. We'll see you in class later. Okay, bye-bye.